Hey guys, Jeff at Hubie's Garage, and yeah, we're back here on the 55 Bel Air two-door sedan. This was the project we were pretty hot and heavy on this last year before kind of took some time off with the holidays and vacation and family. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of go over a little detour that we took with the Volkswagen and why this one got put on the back burner temporarily. So we'll go ahead and dig into that now.
What had happened was Newt went ahead and put on social media that they had an opening at the Nitro garage. They had finished, I believe it was the Pro Mod 57 Chevy, and they had a spot for another car. So I waited about a week, and then the kid and I had talked about getting started on the Bug because my youngest is going to be driving soon, and we kind of wanted a little pop around car to drive around town. And hey, it's a 4-speed, so why not use that as a car to teach the youngest how to drive stick. So decided to get the Bug started. We've got the engine here, so he and I are going to go through this. It's the stock 1600. We'll probably do a 1776 like I had in it at one time long ago. We went ahead and pulled the aftermarket cheapy Brazilian fender off the car. I did find an original German fender, and basically what Newt's going to do, actually Dustin's going to do it, his son, they're going to go ahead and they've got a lot of cancer basically on each fender, as well as the hood, as well as there's a spot on the roof, and there's also another spot that needs to be done on the front quarter panel. While he's got the car, we're going to try to find a VW guy who does paint, and we're going to send it out and get it painted this original, I think it was Sierra Beige is what the 67 color was. I'm not exactly sure. I'll put the correct name of the paint. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and paint it the original color. I am the second owner on the car, and dated my wife in the car originally, as well as yeah, there's just a lot of history with that car. So it was the car that I bought after I got the 55 done. I did not want to take this car to college and leave it in the college parking lot, so I bought the 67 Bug as kind of a beater to drive back and forth to school, and it ended up being a real nice car. Like I say, second owner, and you know, a lot of family history with that car, as well as with Volkswagens in general within the family. So 67 was a real unique year. They've got special bumpers. You can see the bumper guards are tilted down, and that's to have the extra clearance for the bigger deck lid. It also has backup lights, and just a lot of things that they kept over from the 66 and earlier years, and some of the better things that they did for the 68 and later years. That was all kind of put into the 1 year only 67, and that's why I ended up with the 67. So
we have some footage here of the Bug getting torn down with with the kid and I, and getting it basically ready to send out to Dustin at the Nitro garage.
Vehicle Tetris. Another busy day. All right, well, got everything yard sailed out in the yard here. It's been a busy day. Playing auto Tetris, and yeah, we've got an empty spot here. So what happened is it's on a U-Haul and it's ready for transport. We are on our way to Newt's house out at the Nitro garage, and yeah, we'll move everything else when we get back. So we'll get a good look at what's going on. So we had a little bit of body rot here right where it met the fender, and of course the body rot's on the fender, which is inside the car. We got some cancer here on the hood. Got some cancer on the rear fender. That'll get fixed. I had Amateur Hour do the upholstery on the car years ago, so this is all dented out where the kid who did it dented the tack strip. So the car's dented from the inside out. And the new fender, we've got a new fender, new German fender. It's the only one that's not original to the car, but it is German. That's going to get repaired. And then we found that spot right there. So that's another owie that's going to get fixed. And a little bit right here, but this might even be surface. So yeah, should be a real bread and butter job for Newt, and shouldn't take too long. Got some cleanup to do. Lots of it. All right, we're on our way to Newt's, and this is typical Southern California traffic. Saturday afternoon, sitting in traffic, trying to get to Newt's. All right, we're finally here. Nitro Garage. There's Newt. Let's get this thing unloaded. So there you have it. It's basically the first part of tearing into the VW bug. The bug has been in my family for a long time. I bought it new in '86. And you know, it's a family car that's got a lot of history with us, so we're putting the time and the efforts and the money into getting it put back to where it was, and you know, we'll see how it looks from there. But yeah, you know, one of the items that I definitely wanted to mention here is, you guys know Newt from the Nitro Garage and the Nitro Garage YouTube channel. Well, Dustin, his son, who Newt has basically handed the reins over to Dustin at the Nitro Garage. Dustin's now running the shop. Dustin has now started his own channel. So if you would, I would greatly appreciate it if you could go on over and find and subscribe to Dustin's channel. You'll get some real close-up views of what he's done as far as the metal repair, the specific metal repair. He'll get into some little bit of instructional stuff, as well as stuff that he had to do with the cancer that he found in the car, and it might be kind of surprising. At least it was to my pocketbook, but the only reason for that is because it was a lot worse off than initially we thought, and initially you saw earlier here in this video. But yeah, if you can get over to Dustin's channel, his channel is called NGFAB, NGFAB. The NG is Nitro Garage, and that's Dustin's channel, and he's going to basically pick up the torch where Newt had initially started, and he'll get into some really good detailed instructional stuff as far as what they do at the garage, as far as cancer repair and all the other stuff and shenanigans that they get involved with the Brotherhood of Street Racers, the car events, and all of Dustin's personal projects, which he's got two really good ones that are going on right now. But yeah, go over there and give Dustin a subscribe, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed here, go ahead and give me a subscribe. That'd be great help for me. And leave a comment, leave a like, that'd be greatly appreciated. Leave a dislike, I don't care. It's you know, just feedback is good. So
Thanks for watching, and we'll have some more on the VW Bug, as well as my next project in the garage here physically for me is to get back on the 55 Bel Air two-door sedan. So happy New Year, guys. Thanks a lot and have a good one. Take care.